YouTube, and welcome back 99 family. Again, I want to thank you all who subscribed to the channel. Don't forget to leave a like on this video so that we can get these videos out to others. Today we're going to be going over a lot of different accounts that you can use to build or rebuild your credit report, and some strategies that you guys can use when rebuilding. One of them is Kikoff. We've talked about Kikoff before on the channel. However, I wanted to come back, kind of update that video, bring to you guys some more information, make it a more solid video, and you know, just bring you guys the great content that we like to bring you. With that being said, let's get into the video. Kikoff is a great primary trade line that you can have added to your credit report. There's so many things that make this program great. There's very few things that I do not like about this program, and today I just wanted to talk about those different things. One of the most important things I feel like with this program that makes it so great is that there are no fees. Kikoff is completely free. You will not have an APR, you will not have a monthly fee, you will not have an annual fee. There's no account management fees, late penalties, or anything like that. So if you do get this account, it is completely free. The next thing is that there's no credit check. So you do not have to worry about having this account with Kikoff, and while you're in this rebuilding process, and maybe you've been denied for a few things before, or you're trying to watch your increase because you want to apply for certain other accounts, and those accounts may or may not be increase sensitive, and you're really just trying to figure out which accounts you want to go for and limit those inquiries. You won't have to worry about that because you're not going to get one reporting from Kikoff. The next thing is Kikoff is a primary account. With Kikoff being a primary account, it's very beneficial because this is not some authorized user. This isn't some fake account that's not going to report. This isn't some some scam or some trash that is being brought to you to steal your identity or anything like that. This account is actually reporting as a primary trade line every month and giving you those extra boosts for that payment history and having that credit mix with an installment loan on your report every single month. So that's one of the things that definitely makes this program so great. As I just said, it is an installment loan. So with it being an installment loan, it has installments, and your payment history makes up 35% of your score. So with having that actual extra installment there every month, that's going to be very beneficial for you while you're in the rebuilding process. As far as reporting is concerned, Kikoff is currently reporting to all three of the major credit bureaus. Kikoff reports to TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. Just a little side note, if you did get Kikoff originally when the first video was posted, I actually posted it before they developed a relationship with TransUnion. So you will not be able to get it to report to TransUnion unless you either close that loan out early or you open another Kikoff account once that loan is finished. So with it being a free loan and it's adding to your credit age, I would go ahead, allow that account to age out to 12 months, and then apply for another loan with them later on if you so choose to. Or otherwise not worry about the fact that it's not reporting to that one bureau because you are getting it on the other two. Kikoff sends out payment reminders, and I think this is one of the most beneficial and parts of this program, and what makes it so great is that it sends out these payment reminders to you every month, and it will tell you either, you know, your payment is coming up, it's going to be due, and you need to pay it, or it will tell you that you know, you're going to you're going to be able to pay your next payment early, and it's going to allow you to know when that payment is open for payment. So it's going to send you one payment reminder that's earlier before your payment is due, and then it'll send you some closer to once your actual payment is due, so that you can pay your bill earlier. So it will allow you to pay up to 1 month in advance as a payment. The next thing is you get your Vantage score monthly from Kikoff. We did talk about Vantage scores and them not being as accurate as they were previously. However, as far as comparison to FICO scores, however, they can sometimes be used as a good rule of thumb. So just as an in-between thing and an extra place to check up on your credit score, that is available. Another thing is Kikoff has a very, very slight effect on your debt to income ratio, because it's only for $12, and it's a $1 a month payment. So you know, especially if you're looking for getting a high principal loan, you know, a mortgage, an auto loan, anything to that effect, that makes Kikoff an even greater program, because you're getting a very low change on your debt to income ratio while adding another primary trade line. And next, Kikoff actually has a credit education piece. That's another thing that makes this program so great and so beneficial, especially for those that are younger or those that are in the rebuilding process, and you want to learn how to properly manage your credit, manage installment loans, manage revolving credits. They actually have a credit education piece in Kikoff where you can go to that piece and you can actually look for different things and get information on how to manage your credit throughout the rebuilding process, and what you should do to manage your other credit accounts, not just Kikoff, because that information can translate to anywhere. So again, that is Kikoff. You know, this is a great program. If you're rebuilding or building, this is the program to go for. And again, thank you all for watching, and please stay tuned for the other videos we have coming out tonight.